welcome to our new video. In this video we will be solving this SAT math question. So let's see what the question says. The area of triangle ABC is at least 45 but no more than 60. If y is an integer, what is one possible value of x? So let's say the area of this triangle is A, then it must be greater than 48. It must be greater than or equals to 48 but lesser than or equals to 60. It is what the question is saying. So we know that area is equals to 1 by 2 base into height. Here base is equals to sum of 5 and 7, that is equals to 12, and height is equals to y. So this is equals to 6y. 48 by is lesser than or equals to 6y, and 60 is greater than or equals to 6y. So this is the relation we have found. Let's divide 6 on every side of this inequality. We get 8. Y is greater than or equals to 8 but lesser than or equals to 10. So possible value of y can be 8, 9 and 10. What we must know is that this triangle and the larger triangle ABC are similar with the property angle, angle, angle. Both have common angle A, equal 90 right angle triangle, and these two angles are also equal, as 90 minus A will be equals to these two angles, right? So what we must know in a similar triangle is that ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So if we denote this point as E and this point as D, then AD by AC must be equals to ED by BC. So AD is equals to 5 and AC is equals to 5 plus 7, and ED is equals to x, and BC is equals to y. So x is equals to 5 by 12 times y. 5 by 12 y. So this is the relation that we have found for x. Then x, let's rewrite here 5 by 12 times y. So the question is asking any one possible value of x. So let's input any one possible value of y. Let's say y is equals to 8. Then 5 by 12 times 8 will be equals to 5 times 8 is equals to 40 divided by 12. 3.333 is our answer. Or if we keep in fraction form, then 5 times 8 is equals to 40. 40 by 12 is equals to 20 by 6 is equals to 10 by 3. Yeah, 10 by 3 is our answer. Thank you.